Thank you for choosing your new FinaMill spice grinder, and welcome to our community of cooks who are discovering new ways to get creative and explore fresh, new flavors. In this video, we're gonna show you how to set up your FinaMill so you're ready to grind your fresh, whole spices, dried herbs, and so much more in no time. Even if you've already opened your FinaMill, let's do a quick unboxing together so you don't miss anything. First, let's remove the box seal. Then slide off the outside cover sleeve. Gently pull on the box drawer edge, revealing the two included pods. The Everyday Pod, designed for all types of spices and coarse salt, and the Pepper Pod, designed specifically for grinding peppercorns. Here in the center, you'll see a book of sticker labels that you can use to grow your collection of flavors. Now with the rechargeable version of the FinaMill, you'll find a USB-C charging cable under the sticker pack here. All right, let's open this inside flap by lifting the middle tab and pull out your FinaMill. It will come partially charged. To recharge it, plug the small end of the charging cable into the inside port of the opening here. The battery indicator lights will flash while charging, and all three will glow solid when it's fully charged. You'll get about 4 months of normal kitchen use on one full charge. Let's fill our pods with some spices. We're going to use a nice, warm peppercorn blend for our pepper pod. Hold the base of the pod by these textured grip edges and use your other hand to unscrew the cap. Fill it about 2/3 of the way full. Screw the cap back on the base. We'll fill our everyday pod the same way using some coarse salt. You can adjust the grind size on your pods from coarse to fine by twisting this knob on the bottom to the right. Using your FinaMill is easy. There are just 3 simple steps. Push down to click in a pod. Press the button to grind. Push down again to release, and swap pods. That's it. Scroll down below to our next video to see how you can get the most out of your FinaMill and see what can be ground or grated with all of our interchangeable pods. Check them all out. We'll see you in the kitchen.